Hello all, welcome to session 33 of CSharp.net training series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about if-else statements. So let's get started. If-else statements are the extension of the if statements that I have explained in the previous session. Okay, so if-else statements will be executed something like this as shown in this diagram, guys. The execution will start from here. The execution will start from here, and if this condition comes, if the condition results in true, then the statements inside the if block will be executed. What if the condition is false? Earlier in the if block, okay, if normal if statements, if the condition is true, the code inside the block will be executed. If the condition is false, this code will be skipped. But in case of if else, if the condition is true, then code inside the if block will be executed. If the condition is false, then the code inside the else block will be executed. This is how it is different from the if statements. Okay, if else statements where the condition is true, the code inside the if block will be executed. The condition is false, the code inside the else block will be executed in case of if else statements. Okay, this is a syntax for the if else statements. If condition, if the condition is true, these blue color statements which are there inside the if block will be executed. But if the condition is false, the blue color statements which are in the else block will be executed. This will be skipped. The condition is true, this will be executed, this will be skipped. The condition is false, this will be skipped, this will be executed. Okay, this is what is the syntax, guys. If block, else block. Okay, now let me practically demonstrate an example using this if else statements for you. So here already the code is written for the previous session. The previous session I have written this code, right, to explain the if statements. As I already mentioned, if else statements are an extension of the if statements. Okay, already this code will be there. At the end you have to add else and provide this block. Okay, else block. Here write a console.writeLine statement. Okay, write console.writeLine statement here and mention a is less than b. Okay, a is less than b. So if the condition is true, then this block will be executed and this block will be skipped. If the condition is false, then this block will be skipped, this block will be executed. Okay, now in this case the condition is true or false. A less than b, 5 less than 4 is false. The condition is false, else block will be executed. Okay, since the condition is false, the else block will be executed and a is less than b will be printed. Okay, so let's run this code and see whether the else block is getting executed or not. In this case, because the condition is false, you see a is less than b got printed. That means a is less than b is there in the else block. Okay, now what if I make this condition result in true? Okay, if I say a greater than b, in this case what will happen? 5 is greater than 4 is true, right? 5 is greater than 4 is true. Since the condition is true, if block will be executed, else block will be skipped. Let's run this code. This time a is greater than b should be printed. Let me run. Okay, a is greater than b got printed. A is greater than b got printed. So this is how, guys, if else statements in C# will work. Okay, so that's all for this session. In the next session I'm going to cover another C#.NET topic. Till then, see you. Bye bye.